How to wire transfer on Bank of America app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can do wire transfer on Bank of America app. For this, you want to open the Bank of America app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Now, you want to log into your mobile banking app. Before you get started, you want to gather the information of recipient, such as recipient name and address, wire routing number, bank account number, account type. Now, step 2 is to select Pay and Transfer option. Then, step 3 is to tap on the Wire option. Now, if you both have banking and investing accounts, select the account you want to send the wire from. Now, tap Start a Wire to initiate your wire transfer. If you're sending money to a recipient for the first time, you will need to add their account. Tap on Add New Recipient. If you are sending to an existing recipient, then select your recipient. Now, for domestic recipient, including recipients in US territories, tap United States, then tap Next. Now, select the recipient account type and then tap Next. Add recipient's information. To choose state, select from the menu. Once all details are entered, tap on the Next option. Then add recipient's account details and routing number. Be sure to enter the receiving bank's wire routing number. Now tap on Next. Then confirm the details for your recipient. Be sure to scroll down to review all the details. Tap on the Add option. After this, you want to review the important scan reminder and tap on OK. Now that your domestic recipient has been added, tap on Choose Account to select the account from which you want to transfer money. Select your Wire From account for the transfer. Then tap on Next. Now tap Enter Amount. Then you want to enter the amount you want to send. After that, tap on Next. Scroll down to receive the total cost for the wire transfer. Add optional notes for recipient's bank if desired. Then tap Next. If you haven't already, you may be required to enroll in Secure Transfer to send your wire. To get started, add your US mobile number and tap Next. You will receive a text message with an authorization code to complete enrollment. Enter your code, then add your ATM/debit card details. Tap Add Number to complete the enrollment. You will receive confirmation that your mobile number is enrolled. Tap on Continue. Now, before sending the transfer, review the wire details. Be sure to expand the fields and scroll down the screen to confirm all details. Tap Edit at the bottom of the screen if you need to modify any details. After you've confirmed all details are correct, tap on the circle to authorize the payment. Then tap Send to submit the wire transfer. You will see a confirmation that your wire transfer has been submitted. Tap Share to save and share a receipt. Then tap on Done to exit the wire screen. You will receive email confirmation. Now, your wire transfer will appear in the activity screen where you can view the status and details. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.